Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about multiple job opportunities from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip out. If you will skip out, you will miss so many content from BSc, engineering, PG and BCom and those who want a part-time job and all kind of job I am providing IT, core, service-based, product-based, all kind of things I am just providing here. So watch the video till end, you will get a clear idea about the job. If you are not subscribed our channel, just subscribe and like my channel. If you have any doubt, comment me, I will surely help you in the comment section. Let's go to the page. The first one going to be in Sasken started their hiring for software engineering from all over India. So BE, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for the role. MCA, MBA all graduate 0 to 1 year of experience. They won't charge any amount, so don't pay. All IT companies need any coding experience or coding knowledge as a fresher. So C, C++, Java, Python, anything should be there. 13 they started their opening from India, they mention in. And the next one going to be an associative software engineering from electronicity, PGA from product engineering service. This is completely product based service company from all over India. Minimum 1 year of experience from Bachelor of Engineering in IT, Linux and CPN, Bombay versions, and this all the thing. The shift will be 9 to 6 rotational shift. Good communication and verbal communication should be there. And the next one going to be an associative software engineering from hybrid model from the company full-time job intern .NET freshers. They are hiring B, Tech, ME, Tech, diploma, degree in computer science and a strong knowledge in relationship and flexible working and leading role. Diploma candidate also can apply for the role. And this is what they from Microland from TCS NQT. If you are not wrote the TCS NQT, just wrote the TCS NQT and 3.25 is the LPA from all over India. They mentioned here itself. So you can start apply here. Without TCS mark you cannot apply. And this is from 2023 from yearly careers from Aspire freshers. You can do internship, interview experiences, you can do it here and you can start apply for the job role and the CGP and everything they can mention bachelor degree, 36 month, 3 years bond and oral and communication skill and don't pay any amount. They won't charge about the company 120 years of companies and everything they can mention. This is what they from Color Token from Bangalore Electronicities for the sound LPA. The branches they can mention B, Tech, ME, Tech from computer science and 2021 and 2022 75% should be there. And this is what the process. 7 LPA Bangalore hybrid permanent job. B, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply. While applying, after submitting your application form, directly you may go to test. So be ready after studied you can start apply here. Before studying don't apply. If you start applying, at the end you may get the exam result. So after finishing your studies in aptitude, revising everything, just start applying. They mention AWS and CGP and MongoDB, all kind of things they can mention. First you should verify your mail and then full name, contact, current city, location, India, university. PG not means others just you. The start thing you should fill it mandatory. Undergraduate which they mention here itself. Apart from others, if you apply, you cannot get an exam link, so don't apply. Availability joining, yes, ready to Bangalore, interview experience, yes. Brief about your interview, certification, certificate details, everything mentioned and submitted. IBM software engineering from all over India, which they started their hiring for freshers. B, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for the role. Coding skill should be there, any one languages. Without coding you cannot apply. Bachelor in computer science, IT, these are all the key skills for IT requirements. So start apply with the GitHub link. You should provide as a source code. If you are not having, just create a, you are going to work in API keys, automation and all kind of thing they mentioned here. Cisco for software engineering from application graduate from all over India. From electronicities they mentioned here, don't pay any amount. B, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for the role. So this is what they mentioned, any one coding knowledge should be there. Without coding knowledge, you cannot start apply. Understanding the concept, bachelor in engineering, which I mentioned, CSIT. 8 CGPA should be there, 2022 passed out should be there. And the next one going to be ML Associate Engineering from Pune, Maharashtra, SQL and Machine Learning, Structured Query Language, Communication Skill. And you should fill out the form, name, last name, email, phone number, city, upload your resume, cover letter, school, degree, discipline. This is and all start thing not mentioned, so don't worry. But the thing, you should fill out this. Without filling start things, you cannot get an exam link. So as much easy one here, no trouble, you cannot face any trouble here. So start applying and start submitting. Graduate training engineering from Emerson started their hiring, which they mentioned the responsibilities you should read out before applying. And the electronic skills should be electronic and instrumentation and experience skill set and reset in and you can start apply here. Zoho for web development, you can create account in Zoho main portal itself. You can search it in Google how to apply in main portal. This is complete for south of Tamil Nadu, so from India. So you can select your nearer range of your district from your state and you can watch out there. Another opportunity from TCS NQT. Through workers started their hiring 0 to 1 year of experience. Basic qualification, category, skill set, everything they can mention here itself. B, BTech, ME, MTech, all can apply for this role. AI designing engineering, data engineering, masters, all can apply. So you just wrote the TCS NQT mark and start apply. It is NTCTP current opening for the engineering graduate GATE 2023 start apply. You can start this applying portal here itself. I can mention here. So if you have any doubt, comment me. Technical support from Gurkhan from all over India. From the job, Sotek Careers started their hiring for 2023 and 2022 freshers, which they mentioned B, BTech, ME, MTech, all roles, finance, networking portal. And the exam going to be an good aptitude level, troubleshooting and email correction improvement skill should be there. Freshers graduate from off campus, which is Hitachi, started their hiring for 2023 passed out. Off campus B, BTech, ME, 2022 passed out, which they mentioned Hyderabad location. So you can visit this channel page also. B, BTech, ME, all can apply. So in every IT company, please mention SQL. Without mentioning SQL, it is considered as an unselected resume. Why? Because SQL is a main part in all service and product base. So apply as much SQL in any course certification or read it in YouTube and put it in your resume. This is Autodesk from multiple opportunities from all over the world, which I mentioned here itself. So you can change the location, you can start mention here and start searching your job. And this is 2023. And the last career is going to be Associate QA Engineering from Pune, from Maharashtra, which they mentioned the engineering. If you have done any certification, you can apply. B, BTech, ME, MTech, all can apply for the role, which I mentioned basic knowledge in SQL. SQL is the main thing. So read it in YouTube or you can having open source and simple and all kind of things. You can search it SQL. So without SQL, don't apply for IT companies. So you can get a rejection only. SQL is a main part for all freshers as well as the experienced candidate. Learn it, it will be 3 or 4 hours course only. Easiest way to get an IT job, one is learning SQL. So this is the course training which they mentioned. So these are all the opportunities from all over India. So this is going to be ended within a few days. So apply as much quickly and be prepared while applying. After applying itself, you may get an exam link. So you should start write the exam. So be prepared and don't waste the opportunity. Don't apply multiple times. And the next one going to be, this is what Cisco. They are going to send the exam link within few days. So start apply. And careers token from Aspire, which is going to be another opportunities from hybrid model from Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Noida, Hyderabad, all over India. I'm just providing. You can share our channel to your friends. If you have any doubt, comment me. This all the companies going to stop their hiring within This month end only 10 days is pending here, so you can start apply. You can share our video to your friends. If you have not, comment me, I will surely reply your comment. So if you are not, just subscribe and like my channel. My humble request, guys. So thanks for watching.